The Dominican Republic, a Caribbean jewel, invites travelers to explore its diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. With its stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and colonial heritage, the country offers a multifaceted experience that caters to a wide range of interests. Punta Cana, known for its palm-fringed beaches and luxury resorts, is a paradise for sun-seekers and water enthusiasts. From snorkeling and scuba diving in coral reefs to enjoying water sports like windsurfing and parasailing, the coastline offers endless opportunities for aquatic adventures. The historic city of Santo Domingo, the capital of the Dominican Republic, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a treasure trove of colonial architecture and historical landmarks. The Zona Colonial boasts cobblestone streets, charming plazas, and notable sites such as the Alcázar de Colón, the first cathedral in the Americas, and the Museo de las Casas Reales. The Samama Peninsula captivates nature enthusiasts with its pristine beaches, lush mountains, and the El Limón waterfall. Whale-watching tours are a highlight during the humpback whale migration season, offering a chance to witness these majestic creatures up close. Jarabacoa, nestled in the Cordillera Central mountain range, is a haven for outdoor adventurers. The area offers hiking, river rafting, and ziplining, as well as stunning landscapes that include waterfalls and lush valleys. The city of Puerto Plata boasts a mix of historical charm and modern amenities. The Amber Museum showcases the country's rich amber deposits and provides insight into its geological and cultural significance. The cable car ride to the top of Mount Isabel de Torres offers panoramic views of the city and the coastline. The Dominican Republic's vibrant culture is celebrated through music, dance, and festivals. Merengue and bachata music form the soundtrack of daily life, and visitors can experience these rhythms in local bars, clubs, and street performances. Sayona Island, part of the Parque Nacional del Este, is a postcard-perfect paradise featuring white sandy beaches, crystal-clear waters, and swaying palm trees. Day trips to the island offer a serene escape and a chance to unwind in a tropical oasis. The Los Haitises National Park, characterized by its limestone formations, mangrove forests, and Taíno cave paintings, is a haven for eco-tourists. Boat tours through the park offer opportunities for birdwatching, wildlife spotting, and exploration of the unique landscape. In essence, the Dominican Republic is a destination that offers a kaleidoscope of experiences, from luxurious beach getaways to historical exploration and outdoor adventures. Whether it's discovering colonial history, immersing in local culture, exploring natural wonders, or simply enjoying the Caribbean's laid-back ambience, the Dominican Republic invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the essence of the Caribbean spirit.